At Digital Matter, we are committed to designing and manufacturing IoT and telematics solutions that exceed industry standards. Every device we manufacture undergoes thorough quality control processes before leaving our facility in South Africa. Let's take a look at the process. Our manufacturing processes use a range of state-of-the-art SMT machines to ensure precision and efficiency. After the components are mounted onto the board, our PCBs pass through several critical quality control stages. The first step in our quality control process is automated optical inspection. We conduct rapid visual inspections of every component placed on the board, checking for any irregularities. We then utilize X-ray inspection on a subset of PCBs randomly sampled to ensure statistical confidence in the quality of the production run. We check beneath every component for quality soldering, solder bridges, and short circuits. Once we have validated the PCB, we perform functional testing on every device. Our production testing team designs and develops specialized equipment tailored to the unique requirements of each of our device types. Our functional testing includes assessing GPS, modem, and accelerometer functionality, sleep current, and more. Each test jig also utilizes spectrum analyzing equipment to perform RF validation across all GPS and network bands. Every functional test is meticulously logged, providing our team with essential data for analysis and traceability. At Digital Matter, our commitment to quality ensures that your business can trust our solutions to track, manage, and optimize more of the assets that matter.